Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Vietnam. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The practice of Forex trading in Vietnam is strictly regulated, and serious Forex traders in the country choose to use offshore brokers in order to get around government regulation from the State Securities Commission of Vietnam. Muslim investors must choose an Islamic Forex broker in order to trade in accordance with Sharia law. This can be done by choosing a Forex broker who makes an Islamic Forex trading account available. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Vietnam can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Vietnam. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Exness. Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. As an Exness client, you will have access to more than 100 Forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions, which are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. With Exness, you can open a standard account, a standard cent account, a variety of professional accounts, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. Their standard account is a commission-free market execution account with stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great entry account if you want standard conditions, but prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts require a minimum deposit of $500 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. These accounts are suited for more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo environment, or open a swap-free account, which is suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Their platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web terminal, and the Exness mobile application, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Standard accounts are suitable for beginners, and the Help Center offers answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about using certain trading tools, managing accounts, analyzing charts, and more. If you require more in-depth guides, webinars, and market insights, you can visit the Exness educational website to find content based on your level of trading experience and to access the Exness Academy. Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or with the proprietary Exness application. At number 4 on our list is FXPro. FXPro is a multi-asset, fully regulated, online Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006 in the United Kingdom. This award-winning broker uses an order book execution engine and offers competitive trading conditions and ultra-fast, no-dealing desk execution with deep liquidity. As an FXPro client, you can choose from more than 2,100 tradable instruments to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals, indices, shares, energies, and popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Doge, and many more. FXPro provides all the tools, resources, and features you need to make informed decisions with your trades, and there are several different platforms that you can trade on when trading with this broker. Whether you are new to trading or an expert, FXPro provides beginner to advanced learning material, and beginners can practice using a risk-free demo account. More than 1.8 million people worldwide are currently trading on FXPro, and they have received more than 90 awards since launching in 2006. FXPro offers a total of 5 types of trading accounts and also gives their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. The trading conditions of FXPro's accounts are designed according to the platforms they are used with, and most accounts allow hedging and use a no-dealing desk execution model. The FXPro MetaTrader 4 Instant offers fixed spreads with no commission fees and instant execution. All instruments except cryptocurrencies can be traded using this account on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. The FXPro MetaTrader 4 account also offers commission-free trading. However, it is a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. This account can be used to trade all available instruments. The third account that you can use with MetaTrader 4 is the FXPro Platform account, which is also a market execution account. The cTrader account can be used to trade Forex, metals, indices, and energies. It is also a market execution account. This account also allows hedging and can be used on the cTrader platform. The last live trading account you can use with FXPro is the FXPro MetaTrader 5 account, which is also a market execution account with tiered liquidity and floating spreads. However, it allows netting by default, and hedging functionality must be requested. You can trade crypto 24/7 with this account, and it can only be used on MetaTrader 5. Both of their market execution accounts allow 24/7 cryptocurrency trading. Their platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as cTrader and the FXPro proprietary trading platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXPro provides educational resources for beginners and advanced traders, covering the topics of trading basics, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading psychology. These learning modules are divided into lessons. There are also videos you can watch to learn more about trading habits, currency pairs, and market players, for you to browse through at any time if you are searching for any additional educational content with FXPro. Coming in at number 3, we have eToro. Since 2007, eToro has evolved into one of the most trusted and popular Nasdaq 100 and stockbrokers. If you are new to trading, eToro offers an incredible trading academy for beginners. However, experienced traders can also use the academy to refine their skills. The educational content provided by eToro is free to use and covers many different topics, including crypto trading, investing, trading, and more. This broker is trusted by more than 25 million people worldwide and is also available to United States citizens. If you would like to diversify your investment portfolio, eToro offers more than 2,700 stocks with zero commission trading guaranteed. as well as a variety of cryptocurrencies, over 300 ETFs, indices, and Forex pairs. The eToro trading platform simplifies data exchange between traders and speeds up sharing experiences, and features advanced and revolutionary currency trading software. This enables Forex beginners to easily enter the world of Forex trading via a user-friendly interface and a highly customizable platform. eToro's trading software gives a visual representation of transactions, which helps intuitive trading while it brings together social and promotional features such as a traders community chat and trading contests. Their application is available for Android and iOS devices. The eToro retail account is a flexible all-in-one account that is suitable for copy traders, social traders, and beginners. This account can be used to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, Forex pairs, indices, and ETFs. The eToro retail account also allows users to stake cryptocurrencies, and it can be used for copy trading. Retail accounts have limited leverage, but retail clients are covered by the Investor Compensation Fund and the Financial Ombudsman Service. They also receive negative balance protection and margin closeout restrictions. The eToro Professional account offers all the same features as the retail account, however offers much higher leverage, and only customers registered under eToro UK and eToro EU can apply to be a professional client. The account verification process is much more complex, and you must apply for a professional account to meet certain criteria before you will be able to trade as a professional client. eToro offers an exceptional trading academy with guides, videos, and articles covering all topics related to trading and investments. The educational resources provided are suitable for beginners, intermediate traders, and experts. There are many detailed how-to guides, and the Trading Academy dashboard makes it easy to find more information about any questions you might have. eToro also provides updated news and analysis, as well as in-depth market research PDFs. eToro is an all-in-one broker that is regulated by top-tier institutions and offers competitive trading conditions. We recommend eToro for all types of traders, especially if you are interested in social trading, copy trading, stock trading, or crypto trading. This broker is one of the few, if not the only Forex broker that currently allows cryptocurrencies to be staked on its platform, and is also a great option for traders who are eager to refine their trading knowledge and improve their skills, because the eToro Academy offers an abundance of educational resources for all levels of experience. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Vietnam, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Vietnam on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.